All right, here's day 3. We're on page 310 and 311. We'll start with 310. Problem number 1. Mrs. Ambrose drew the model below of her new patio and rock garden. What is the total area of Mrs. Ambrose's new patio and rock garden? So here we go. Now the first thing Miss Liz did was I added 4 plus 2 and got the total measurement there of that side. That is 6 meters. So then I multiplied 6 times 5, and that gives me 30 meters square. What is the total area of Mrs. Ambrose's new patio and rock garden? 30 square meters. Be careful. Make sure you did not choose C. If you chose C, you were not paying attention because we are finding area, total area. It's got to be square units. Number 2. You will choose yes or no to tell whether joining each rectangle shown to the rectangle at the right would make a large rectangle that has a total area of 72 square feet. So you got to find the area of this one and then look at each one of these and find the area and look and see if you can join this one and that one and get a total of 72. So I found the area of this one, which is 48 feet square. So then I came over here and I found the area of A. 8 times 3 is 24. That's 24 feet square. And I added 48 and 24 and got 72. So yes, A would work. So I circled yes. B, I multiplied 8 times 2 and got 16. And when I add 48 and 16, that gives me 64. So that's a no. C, 6 times 4 is 24. That would be 24 feet square, so 48 and 24 gives me 72. Yes. D, 2 times 6 is 12. So I add 48 and 12, and that is not 72. It's 60, so that is a no. All right, so let's look at 311 now, page 311. That was 310. This is 311. Break apart the rectangle below into 2 smaller rectangles. Use the smaller rectangles to find the area of the large rectangle. Each square unit has an area of 1 square meter. So I just divided it right there. I made this one 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 gives me 16 here. 16 meters square. And then I have this one that's 4 times 5. 4 times 5 gives me 20. So then I add 20 and 16. It gives me 36 meters square. You could have divided them any way you wanted as long as you had 2 different rectangles. Then you could have just counted the boxes on each side and added it. Either way, you should have a total area of 36 meters square. If you got something different than 36 meters square, you made a mistake somewhere. Go back and look and see what you did. Mrs. Logan is remodeling her home. The models below show 2 possible plans for her master suite. So which plan will give Mrs. Logan a bigger master suite? So you need to find the area of both of them, and you want the one that has the largest amount of space. So I added 4 plus 2 here and got 6, and then I multiplied 6 times 6. That gave me 36 meters square. So plan A has an area of 36 meters square. Plan B, I have 3 plus 7. I added that first to get the total amount there. Got 10, and then did 4 times 10, gave me 40 meters square. So the area of Plan B was 40 meters square. Plan B had 40. Plan A had 36. So 36 was less than 40. So Plan B was the greater amount. So Plan B will give Mrs. Logan a bigger master suite.